the quick workaround is get your truck running, turn your phone on, and then take your cord and hook into it like you normally would. It's going to ask you if you want to switch, hit switch. And then, of course, if you can see the icons on the phone popping up, the phone thinks it's hooked to the truck and everything's great, but the screen still doesn't get anything. It doesn't show it. You hit the projection screen again and it's asking you, are you sure you want to disconnect Bluetooth and use the cable? And you say yeah, and of course it just sits there and it does nothing. So the quick fix is go into your phone app and just do a quick dial out on do it through your radio. Don't do it through your phone because it'll go through your phone, but use your radio to initiate the call. I just picked the Chevy roadside assistance number, let it dial for a second or two, and then hit end. Once you hit end and you go back to your home screen, now magically there's the Android Auto icon. You can click into it and use your navigation. You can use your other phone stuff. Some of the basic settings, getting your calendar, your messages, all that stuff. I really only ever used it for navigation.